A Seed is Sleepy by Diana Hutz Aston and Sylvia Long. Here we have all sorts of different types of seeds. A seed is sleepy. A seed is sleepy. It lies there, tucked inside its flower, on its cone, or beneath the soil, snug, still. A seed is secretive. It does not reveal itself too quickly. Most seeds sleep through a season or two, waiting for warmer temperatures of spring. But some take their time. 10 years might pass before the bright red-orange seeds of the Texas mountain laurel shows its purple blooms. A seed is fruitful. 90% of plants on Earth are flowering plants. Flowering plants produce fruits. Fruits of all shapes and textures that keep the seeds cozy until they have found the right place to grow. A seed is naked. Yes, naked. Scientists call gymnosperms, seeds that aren't clothed in fruits, naked seeds. Most naked seeds hide themselves in the scales of cones until they're ready to make a dash for the ground. Seeds come in many sizes. The orchid seed is the smallest of all. There might be 1,000,000 seeds in one pod, while the seed of the Coco de Mer palm is the largest, and it can weigh up to 60 pounds. A seed is adventurous. It must strike out on its own in search of a less crowded place to put down roots. Drift seeds float on ocean currents from one shore to the other. They have enough air inside them to help them float, and their thick protective shells keep out the seawater. A seed is inventive. To find a spot to grow, a seed might leap from its pod, or cling to a child's shoestring, or tumble through a bear's belly. A seed hopes to land where there's plenty of sunlight, soil, and water. A seed is generous. It gives the baby plant or embryo a seed coat to help keep it warm. And here are the different germination stages of some different types of seeds, like beans and rice and pumpkin and squash and teak, which is a type of tree. The embryo's first meal comes from its seed leaves, or cotyledons. Seeds with one seed leaf, like corn, are called monocots, and seeds with two seed leaves, like beans, are called dicots. Some seeds are ancient. Not all seeds are eager to germinate. Some have lain dormant or slept undisturbed for more than 1,000 years. A seed is thirsty and hungry. Once a seed has shed its coat, it drinks in the rain, the dew, and yesterday's icicles, it feasts on minerals in the soil. Part of the seed, the root, feels the tug of gravity and digs down deep. Another part of the seed, the shoot, is sensitive to light and it reaches up for the sun. A seed is clever. It knows to seek the sunlight, to push itself up, up, up through the soil. But it must wait a while before that happens. A seed is sleepy, but only until it has found a place in the sun and it has had its breakfast and a drink of water. And then a seed is awake. The end. And here are some more seeds. Different types of seeds and flowering plants and fruiting plants. And that is the end of the book that we just read called A Seed is Sleepy.